Let's discuss orifice plugs. To create an orifice plug, select the Insert Orifice Plug/Valve Insert command from the top ribbon menu. Select the cavity to add the orifice or valve insert, and then select the desired plug or insert from the list of selectable items. Only items with diameters smaller than the parent cavity are listed. After selecting the plug or insert, type in the appropriate component ID and specify the net. Nets can also be changed later in the design process if needed. Similar to regular cavities, additional properties can be modified in the Cavity Properties panel. The parent cavity can still be modified as well.